Wagwan Jaja children, I pray all of you are well. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, our King, and Jehovah, our Creator, I am Lily of the Valley. And we're going to look at how Marcus Mosiah Garvey, who should have been one of the first full-blooded Negro leaders of Jamaica and the Commonwealth of the Children of Israel, or Jacob's children worldwide, was railroaded by the children of Esau, Edom, the Judas Iscariot Negroes, the Jamaicans in Jamaica and the diaspora, the Black Americans. Some of them enjoyed the plantation. We tired of telling you that. Even Harriet Tubman telling you the same thing. Those of us who wanted to remain bloodline children of Israel, Jacob's children, and rule our people by Jehovah's standards, what happened to us? Now we them tell say nothing black no good, and then every time war for fight, who then come for first? Yeah. Anytime mess for clean up, we have to be the same one to clean it up. So, you're going to check the description box as usual, because the children of Kenaz, then NAZIs, the Edomites, the Chittim, the Kittim, the Romans, the Arabs, the Hindoos, the Islamists, all of them Buddhists join up together to derail the children of Israel in every nation worldwide. So, notice the mulatto class started with Marcus Garvey. The F.A., the B, the E was involved, and most of the judge jury accusations were made up by the ASCHANAS, and Marcus Garvey talks about it himself. It's the same thing happened to me in America. In case you don't know, most of us Negroes and Negresses in the United States, Christians who teach the laws, the statutes, the commandments, the ordinances, and who tell Black America, say, hey, you don't have no right for KILL unopikini by ABORTION, our channels get cancelled. Notice all the degenerates that come down to Jamaica from Tel Aviv, etc. Then come down, they come make a bag of money, and all of the laws were done there, break the police and the government of Jamaica just look the other way. Just look, for example, somebody called COCOGIRL, and look at the HINDOOS, the plain load of people them the other day. Open borders. Look at the Samoa Agreement, and look at the mulatto class, okay? When Marcus Garvey did all of the hard work, the MulatToe class, which became like the Bustamante, the Norman Manley, Michael Manley, Siaga, all of them were installed in Jamaica. You know why? Because Marcus Garvey wanted a rulership by Negroes for Negroes worldwide. That's how Jehovah set it up. It's going to be like that whether they like it or not. If you look in the book of Revelation, in the end, you still see 12 tribes of the children of Israel. If you look at Jamaica under quote-unquote democracy, you will see that 70% of Jamaicans don't participate in it because they've seen it for what it is. That's how they install themselves in the government. We don't do that in our tribes. We still rule by royal tribes in Jamaica, holy tribes. And we rule by how much Negro blood, Jacob's children blood in your vein for at least 3 generations. on your father's side and your mother's side. It's called the patriarchy and the matriarchy, because we descend from those patriarchs and matriarchs that Jehovah chose to do his work in the earth. So notice Marcus Garvey's approach is the same. No matter where in the world you are, United Negro Improvement Association. We have our own everything. Those of us who followed this, we ain't got no problems with generational wealth. We the ones paying the bills down there in Jamaica. So Andrew Holness thinks he's gonna just come and talk all kind of stuff. We're the ones paying Jamaica's bills. Majority of the people who vote for you, Andrew, are Aborigine, American, Indian, Negro, Maroons, whatever you want to call us. Our official name is Children of Jacob Israel from the 12 tribes. You see them same people in the Bible where you disobey? We are them. That's why you see St. Andrew Parish everywhere. Our forefather fight for that, set it up, run it, rule it, own it, and nobody now take it from us. That's what it is. Notice when you tried, and the PNP tried, and the mulattoes tried, and the Arabs tried, and the Ashkenazi tried, the Edomites, the Chinese, the Japanese, the Germans, the Nazis. It's not for lack of trying, but they've all been defeated, because even when we fell asleep, the Mosiah will wake up and fight our battles for us. So I do a whole bunch of things through the back door, the side door, the every kind of door, but not see. One little prayer over Mark Golden the other day, and the Holy Spirit just lead out a whole lot of secrets. Want put gag order, want put hate speech. Well, what did the Mosiah say in Ezekiel 33? When we see people are come for devour the flock, we must warn them, or else the Mosiah is gonna hold us accountable for not warning them. But if we warn them and them not listen, then it's on them. So y'all gonna check the description box. So the same way wanna see the mulatto them pack, and the Edomites, the children of Edom, the children of Chittim, Kittim, Rome, and them come with them, the degeneracy, and them sorcery, and the Judas Iscariot Negroes join up to them, which is like the PNP. Obama's mother was also an Ashkenazi. His father was a Kenyan. He was installed in Black America. He said he was a Christian. But when Trump went into the White House, what did they find in there? A mosque. He was from Indonesia too. He has so many passports, so many birth certificates. Just check Jeffrey, Epstein, Gillian, Maxwell. Most of those names are not them real names. Them have multiple identities, and them control the N-house we call the passport office, the ports. Notice them did even have submarine for the PedoPhile Island. I remember when the black I don't know if she was the head lawyer in one of them islands bring the lawsuit against JPMorgan Chase the other day for the trafficking of the little children, where them love them kind of something there. As soon as them install the one them were in the US, because of the same tactics them use, notice one of them are HINDOO, and the other one was even at the time of Marcus Garvey time with dementia, where female parents were the ones persecuting the Negroes on the mainland. Them are the designer of the school to prison pipeline and so on that arrests and put black men, women, and children in jail in the United States. The same one from the Jim Crow era. Okay? So when we are telling you these things, you just have to watch the history. I'm not going to read nothing on them channel, yeah, because you have to go look up the history of the C.E.A.E. Eduardo Siaga as well. How he was installed. Look at the violence that came with them. Did you see any violence following Marcus Garvey around? Do you see any violence up in Maroon country where we rule ourselves? Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister, knows most of his base are Maroons. So when he wants to come, we can just form a holy righteous Maroon party and say all bloodline Maroons will not come vote for the party there and clear them out of the parliament. We can do that too. We have many options that Jehovah gives us. Marcus Garvey, he laid the foundation for it. All the information is there. They don't teach Marcus Garvey in school because them want we fi hear so we are always slave. How come them not teach about the royal bloodline, Negro Jamaicans, Negroes and Negresses, and the children of Israel, Jacob, who ruled all of Europe, Africa, Asia, the whole world? That's what I was teaching when YouTube deleted my channel. The channel had about 10 years worth of history. So they don't monetize channel like mine. They delete them. And the government of Jamaica, as it is right now, helps them to do that. My channel is blocked. That channel, before they deleted it, I don't know. It must have been blocked in every country worldwide, because I bring out the Arab history. The black Arabs, the original Arabs from Ishmael's bloodline. What did they do to them? What did they do to the children of Israel? Why do you think they get in hell in Gaza now? They don't read the scriptures, but we do. That's what we grew up on. So, the Marcus Garvey blueprint is what needs to form the basis of the Constitution of Jamaica. Bloodline, full-blooded bloodline. United Negro Improvement Association. Notice Obama didn't pardon Marcus Garvey, even though he know that the people in the United States are famous for making up fake charges. They did it against me. They did it against Trump. They did it against all conservatives here. The conservatives in the United States are the ones with the assets and the money, and we do the research, and we go to school, and we have the degrees and can figure things out. Most of them got cancelled a couple of years ago. The doctors got de-licensed during the pandemic because they were like, hey, we're scientists too. We study medicine too, food and nutrition too. And what y'all say is nothing but foolishness. So when we point out the history and when they're doing wrong and how they disobeying the law, they cancel our channels. They censor them. They remotely freeze our computer and wipe it clean. And our phones too. Our messages don't go. All them email wanna sit down there. Email, WhatsApp. Them have backdoor, side door into all those things. The satellites. The Pegasuses. The people going to protest the thing what happened in November against Trump. They had a constitutional right to protest. They had a right to petition their government with their grievances. They had a right to be heard. Do you know what happened in the courts? All of them cases got cancelled. And anything against the conservatives, those cases were fast-tracked. And they make up laws and they make up rules and they make up everything for fast-track the evil cases or the satanic version of the cases. Just like how you see them persecuting Marcus Garvey and they fast track the mulattoes into power, and then all hell break loose after that. Now Jamaicans don't even know how it happened, and when we try to tell them how it happened, them will take the side of the oppressor. So that's where leader of the oppression, Siaga, Manley, Golden, even Bustamante. So that was the mulatto class. The full-blooded Negroes got kicked out of everything. Then the mulatto class took over. The white class took over. and them cousins like the Hindus, the Arabs, and so on, and then brother and sister, and then the black man became poor, uneducated, and then give him 2 beer or some rice and peas, and then teach him how to sell out him own bloodline brother and sister. The Mosiah said don't do that. Yeah. So we gotta go back to basics. Notice in Aborigine bloodline, children of Jacob country, these problems don't happen. No high crime, no dede. We send our people worldwide go train. Yeah. So we train them locally. We feed them from birth to grave. We make sure them have generational wealth, them healthy and strong. We never used to have any sicknesses. These cancers, our people know how to cure all of that stuff. We can't talk about it because those things are censored too. So we believe in bloodline rulership. Rule by your own people, your own consanguinity, your own common ancestor, or common ancestor from Adam until now. We come through the lineage of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, the 12 tribes of the children of Israel, or Jacob, through Abraham, Isaac, Sarah, Rebecca. Not Esau's lineage. That's different. Mark Golden would be the one from Esau's lineage. Kenaz, Nazi, Ashkenaz. Uno have to start teach the Bible again. Not just read it, but get some Bible dictionaries, some Bible geography dictionary, some ancient dictionaries, because everything modern is redefinition. Remember when we were a little bit, the word G-A-Y used to mean happy? It don't mean happy again. So you got to go back and get a lot of old dictionary. They took up all those books, and if you want real books, them cost sometime out 25,000, 65,000. Why you think they gathering up the books off the market? So when they use the AI to program, you just say, oh, well, the AI said this. Oh, Wikipedia said this. Oh, this said that. Go back to the old paper for prove it. If them say them born in Jamaica, in a St. Andrew, put on thinking cap. St. Andrew,